Hello, hi.
Hi,
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So you live in Indonesia?
I'm currently live in Australia.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah. What about you?
I live in Korea, South Korea. So how long have you been living in Australia?
I think it's almost 2 years.
3
Next month is
years.
2 years.
Nice, okay.
What about you?
4 years. For 4 years.
Oh, so you can speak Korean?
Yeah, I speak Korean. So are you a student? Do you study?
Yes, I am.
I'm also a student. I'm a graduate student. Which
Oh, yeah.
city do you live in?
I'm living in Melbourne.
Oh, I really, really want to go to Melbourne. You know,
Yeah.
I've been preparing to go to Melbourne after I graduate here. I
Oh,
want to
really?
go to University of Melbourne. I've been preparing for IELTS exam and about documents. Good city, right? How about weather there? Like weather is really,
Except
really
the
important
weather.
to me. Except the weather, really. Weather is really
Yeah.
important to me. So it
Right.
changes a lot.
Yes.
Yeah, there's a saying you can see
see
four
from here.
seasons in a day. Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I love to.
Yeah. Maybe someday we can meet here.
Yeah, I hope so.
Hello.
Hello, hi.
Actually, I'm your fan.
You know me? Thank
Yeah,
you.
of course, I know you. Like,
Thank
Korean,
you.
right?
Yeah, it's me. Thank you.
Yes,
How
well,
are you? So, where are you from? Like, which city do you live in?
But actually, I'm from Macquarie, but now I'm living in Yangon,
Mm.
insane, yeah.
Okay, so do you have any specific purpose living in Yangon?
Yeah.
For
I
education?
Yeah, education.
Okay. What do you study, by the way?
study-
Okay, I see. Actually, I found this yesterday. So I started
Oh.
using yesterday, and then I really, really like it. And people are so nice. It was nice to meet you. Bye bye.
That's nice.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too.
Yeah.
I'm actually from Myanmar. Have you heard about it?
Yeah.
So you want to be a content creator? Or just for fun? You
Oh.
do it just for fun?
Just for fun. Have you ever heard that?
Gojek, I
Gojek,
have heard
yeah.
about it. Yeah.
Do you want to talk more or?
I have to.
currently-
I have work after. That's like
Okay.
at 5, so I have to leave the room. Okay. It was really nice to meet you. Have
was
a
really
great
nice to
day.
meet you too.
Have a great day. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to my English podcast. Today I'd like to talk about the things that I do in my language learning journey that I believe makes me become a better learner. I wrote them down on my notebook and in case I missed any details. Let's get started. First, I strongly believe that to be fluent in a language, you need to be familiar with the sound system of the language first. It is very fundamental and the most important. You need to learn and become familiar with the sounds of the language. Second, I always remind myself that I don't need to remember all the things I learned, and I don't need to use all the words in my own speaking. When you don't hear the word you learned from a book in your daily life, you will forget it. It is how it works, so I try not to put so much pressure on myself. And third, I know learning with a textbook is very boring, but I believe that to learn a language systematically, you need a textbook to some extent. So use the textbooks in the beginning of your journey. And fourth, this is one of the most important ones. You need to know yourself. Like you need to know what kind of learner you are to stay motivated. There are various thousands of ways to learn a language, but you need to find your own way that suit you the most. So try to know yourself. And the final one is this. I believe this is my biggest strength. Makes me different from the average learner is that I always go to ChatGPT or dictionary whenever I'm curious. For example, let's say the other day I was hanging out with my friend. Like we went to the bathroom. After I used the bathroom and I came out and I was looking for her and she was still inside and then she came out And then I said, I thought you had already loved. But I didn't know how to say it exactly in the situations. So I went to ChatGPT and look it up right away. And then I learned that, I can say, I thought you had already loved. This is what I do in my daily life. So yeah, I never hesitate to look it up when I want to know something. So yeah, these are the things that I do when I learn languages. On top of that, language learning is a long journey. So you need to be friends with the language. So be nice to the language. And it's about improving yourself. It's about to become a better person, right? Thank you for watching. That's all for today. Bye bye.